Hello and welcome back. Happy December 31st, everyone. I know it's been a rough year, and I'm wishing everyone the best 2021. Today we're going to be unboxing another bride box. So let's see what we got in our fourth box out of the 12 I ordered. Looks like we got a makeup bag, and I'll be doing another video later of what the essentials are to have on the wedding day. But makeup bags are so important. Looks like we got another t-shirt. And this one is fairly good quality. It's rather thick, cotton, and a nice design on it. We have socks. These are super cute. They look to be very warm, thick material, and cute colors. A cheese board, which is always nice to have, and it looks to be from Kate Aspen, who does really wonderful favors, and this could be an idea for that. Foot pedals. They're for high heels, that way you're not sliding down into the toes of your shoes and being more uncomfortable than you have to. And the last thing in the box we have is a Diamond Dazzle Stick to help clean your diamond for photos right before the wedding. And that's all we have for this box. I will see you again in the new year, and I'm wishing you and yours all the best in the world. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.